Day 5, 75 hard, another day, another dollar, as they say. So we've had a little bit of a hectic morning, back-to-back calls. Only been for a walk as soon as I woke up this morning, but that doesn't count. So today, got a big game tomorrow, first game of the season, so we're going to take it light today. We're going to do a cycle whilst on another call later on. And then we're just going to go for an intense, probably walk outside because big game tomorrow, so can't do anything too heavy, can't do any runs, things like that, and one needs to be outdoors. So that's what we're going to do today. I don't have a bike. Maybe I'll get a bike so that I can do cycles. But yeah, that's the start to the day. 2 litres down. But aside from that, we haven't eaten anything yet. We haven't done any workouts. So it's a slow start, but we will get everything boxed off. Don't you worry about that. Oh, and you know what I forgot to mention? Me and Dills thought 75 hard wasn't hard enough. So we thought, yeah, you know what? Let's do a bodyweight challenge this month in our coaching community. That was a silly decision from us both because now we've both got to do press ups every single day. So the challenge will start with 10 and then add 5 every single day. So it's day 5 now. So I've got to do 25 press ups today. Put it in the group chat. And yeah, it's just another bit of exercise and another bit of working out that we've got to do every day alongside the 2 workouts. So I thought I'd just mention that as well, so you know. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to record it on the group chat. Going to record it on here as well. But let's get busy. 25 press ups. Right, let's get it, team. Happy Friday. 25 press ups. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Woo! Let's do it. Client of the week's coming soon as well. Happy Friday. Have a good day. And that is another workout to add to this list. But 75 hard, we love it. The more the merrier. First workout of the day. It's an interesting one. But we got football tomorrow, first game of the season. So I just wanted to keep the legs moving. And what I've decided to do is just get on the bike. Get on the old lockdown bike. Look, it's still got, can't even see it. It's got cobwebs on it. But we are getting that lactic acid out of our legs, ready for football tomorrow. Whilst also getting an indoor workout in. So 45 minutes on here, just to keep the legs moving. Get the muscles and the lactic acid flowing and get ready for tomorrow whilst also ticking boxes we do not miss. Don't worry about me. We ain't messing about for lunch today, I tell you that much. 4 eggs, prosciutto, sourdough, spinach, and I've actually put cottage cheese in with the eggs as well. This is what you need to take away from these meals. The big thing is, even if you're trying to drop body fat, don't eat less food. Eat more volume-dense foods. Okay? So, pack your meals out. Get your protein in. Get your fibre in. Balanced meals. And you'll be flying. But I am hungry. Beautiful. Proper food. Proper fuel. That's what you need in the afternoon. To avoid them crashes that you keep getting. Eat meals like this. You know what else is another thing I've started drinking? Sparkling water. I never used to like the taste, but I tell you what, if you like somebody likes Cokes, Pepsi Max, whatever it is, you know, you like a little bit of fizzy drink on your fat loss journey. I know people say, you know, have 0-calorie drinks and whatnot, but I tell you what, sparkling water, even if you add like, I don't know, a little bit of flavour in somehow, or there's a wasp coming, it satisfies that little fizz that you need. Trust me. This wasp wants to get involved. See, I'm telling you, sparkling water, even the wasps love it. Wow. First and foremost, let's just appreciate this beauty of a Palermo top. The Homeland did not disappoint. This is one of the best kits that you can get at Palermo. Pink shirt, proper old school Sicilian kit. But look at the state of this meal. Let me flip it. Go on. Wow. Wow, just look at that. Just look at that. steak, salad with feta and olive oil, and then there we have a Mediterranean mix of all sorts. I'm not even going to tell you what's in it because there is so much in there. That is proper food. The night before a game, protein, carbs, healthy fats. I'm going to leave it there because I need to dive in.